What I want to show you right now is how to quickly check the probes that you have on your system. On the current setup, we have probes configured which are Titan 125 micron pitch ground seam and ground probes. I know that my system I have 150 micron pitch probe. So why it is important to change the probe pitch? Because by the probe pitch, we define the electrical equivalent circuit models for the open, short and load calibration standard. As an example, for 125 micron pitch probe and AC2 calibration substrate, minus 3.5 picohenry of the load inductance. And if we keep using this configuration, our calibration results will be incorrect. So we need to change it to the right type of the probe and right configuration. The type is the same as a Titan, but I need to change it to 150 micron pitch probe. So how to do it is just simply tap on the probe widget, and you have the focus on the current probe configuration. It's a port 1, port 2 probes. And on the right-hand side is a list of the previously available configurations that people used on this setup. And we can see that 125 is right on the top, and that is just recently configured probes 150. Changing the probe configuration as easy as just like clicking on the particular probe configuration. And now you see that the probe has changed to 150 and the 125 went to the list of the recently used probes. We just go back to the main Calibria dashboard. The probes are changed, and let us double check that we also changed the equivalent models for the calibration standards. And now we see that from minus 3.5 picohenry, the equivalent model of the load inductance changed to -1. So let us execute the calibration process.